Got a lot growing on here at our Global Family Farm. We're putting a lot of plants in the ground, lots of good projects, lots of good people. Okay, so here in the Americas section of our Global Family Farm, we're going to have a teepee and we'll have corn and beans. We're going to have squash growing right here. Peppers are in place along here. We can also have some climbing pole beans on the bamboo fence. We're putting some seeds in the ground for the yellow squash and the patty pan squash. Over here is the potatoes, and we're going to intercrop with beans. So this is all crops from South America.
Oh, yeah, the potatoes look so pretty.
Yeah, and then tomatoes. So we got the cages. We're going to put some tomatoes here. That's what they're working on here, getting weeds out first, getting the compost in place, leaving the nasturtiums, which are also from South America. And so we're going to have a row of tomatoes, a living fence. Tomatoes along the fence. Awesome. They're working on the second cage for the tomatoes. It's a lot of work, right?
It is a lot of work.
All right, and also berries are from the North America. Think Pacific Northwest, all those berries up there. Well, we got some here. We got blackberry patch, thornless, and ones with the thorns here, and strawberry patch too. And grapes, grape arbors, those are all America, North America or South America or Central America food crops. Okay, and this is another project we have. We are going to set up automatic irrigation system. All right, we're getting some engineering help here. Thanks, Kent. Okay, and then over in this quadrant or corner of the globe, Eurasia, is raspberries. They come more from those northern latitudes, and we're finding where the raspberry patch is and getting the weeds out.